drifting event is not all gone. I got a little radiator with the part pink and part of everything, and I got all the fittings and shit that was gonna cost me how much it's gonna cost me? $127 only for the radiator. Then I need all, if you have a BMW, you know, all those side things and all the stuff that other cars have on the radiator. I paid $38. Let's go put the radiator on the car. Okay, so I got all the parts, but I'm trying to disassemble enough so I can just drop this in the car. One thing is, down here, even though I don't have the transmission, I need to put that thing here so this here gets plugged. I'm not sure if I could get plugged somewhere, but I'm going to fit this in here like this. Oh, oil. Yeah, that's the bad part. I gotta take all this oil out of here, but I'm gonna use this to plug this part, and that's gonna be good. I'm trying to remove this here and keep this drain line. It's a plug. Oh, where's my piece? That's a plug for release the bubbles, so I can open that, let the bubbles out, and it's gonna be pretty good. So let me disassemble that. All right, so it doesn't seem to like to go from the top, so I am gonna try to go from the bottom. Let's see. There you go. All right. So far, so good. All right. So technically, I reached the point where I'm supposed to hide this guy in there. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's getting there. It's actually very tight in there. You gotta go up a tiny bit more. There you go. And the bottom, so let me do like this. One side had big bolts, the other one had small bolts. That side was the big ones, and this side was the small ones. So, okay, let's see where we at. I was able to align those here, and here you gotta go a little more, but I still need to find a way to push that bottom a little further. I gotta remove that. I remove the other side, which is this here, and this side has one too. So I gotta remove that, which might give me space, and this is what's going to lock the radiator in place. So you see that? Let me see if I can take that out. And it's been good. So, okay, I figured I figured it out. And so the bottom has these things here which locks the radiator in place. Super cool. You know, it's funny because when you don't know what you're doing and you see those things, you were like, wow, why? But you know, when you work on it and you know why they're there for, it's like, wow, this is cool. So yeah, I really think this is great, and it's gonna work, man. If it doesn't leak, we are golden. So let me tie those guys. This is it is a T25, and just gonna tie that. Don't need to tie the crap out of it. It's tight enough. And same thing here, and tight. Now I need to put the two things on the bottom that are gonna hold it together. So I'm gonna bring you down there with me. Alright, so front of the car, going under the car, boom, right side, there is a thing which is like this. You see a little stopper here and a little clip, and you see the stopper goes in there and the clip goes on the other side, and my cat goes right in there. Right, kitty? Anyway, put in here, click it up, and push until it clicks. I'm gonna try it with one hand. Whew. It didn't click yet, so I need to make it click. And where's the other one? Oh, it's way down there. So I'm gonna get that one, and I'm gonna put on the other side, which is right here. Ideally, so this is gonna push it back like this and push it up. Hang on, gotta use two hands. So there are two hoses on the bottom, and one of them goes to the engine, the other one goes to the firewall. So the one that goes to the engine, which is this one, goes on the bottom, which is in here. The other one, it goes up. It's gonna be super hard to put it in there, but we're gonna make it. And so I'm gonna clamp this guy in here and clamp that one out there. I might, yeah, I don't know if there's an easy way to do it, but this is very, very tight. Much better than I expected. Look at that, it's very, very flush. So I just need to get my big fan, put it in there. I think I will be able to tie it in here, but I'm not sure yet. So alright, I didn't want to bore you with the detail, but I don't know what is good information, what is too much detail, but okay. So I have some hoses here. I have coolant in my mouth, and I'm going to put this guy in here. I think it can be a little shorter. I'm gonna try though, because if I cut too short, I have no way to go back. Alright, so it is done. Now I gotta test everything, and that's the scary part. I'm gonna use water because I don't want to have coolant on the floor if it doesn't work, or you know, it's each thing of coolant costs like 20 bucks, 16 bucks, 10 bucks, depending what you're getting. I honestly don't want to. There's a pretty cool thing on this car, is like, this tells me that's full. Nothing is leaking so far, so I'm going to start the car. and I'm gonna keep putting water because I'm pretty sure I do not have enough water. So far, so good. So I'm opening this here so bubbles can get out of there. There is a sensor in here. I might need to delete that sensor. So the water didn't come up here. Didn't came up here yet. And basically, I only put one of those. I'm pretty sure that's not enough. Let me get more water. Alright, let's get going. So far, no leaks. Okay, now I have water coming out of here, which I'm just gonna close. This is the status. I have some water in there. So the fan is not running yet. Oh yeah, there's water. Oh no, that's not. I was afraid that was water dripping, but that's the water that came out of this here. You know, it was not easy. I don't see dripping water anywhere. I'm just waiting for this to get hot enough so the fan can turn on, and I still need to find a way to secure the fan in there. I might use metal zip ties so I can kind of hang on the top and hang on the bottom, not go through the radiator. You know, that's my chance. And sometimes I always take the chance, you know. Sometimes it does not work, but most of the times works. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so we have a bit of good news. Temperature is kind of up, air is hot, so it means we have, oh, I have white smoke. So I might have a blown head gasket. I'm going to the event anyway. I gotta only figure that I'm gonna check the oil. I'm gonna change the oil before I go. And I'm trying to find a way to get this guy here connected, which is the negative for the fan, because when it turns on, we need that baby to fly. So let me get some wire here and then plug out there. Alright, that must be hot enough. I don't know. The block is aluminum, so I'm not sure if it's gonna share current. If it's gonna, I'm gonna use the right term. If it's conductive. So I'm gonna just do something temporary here. And there you go. Fan is running. So a couple of things I need to fix later is I just hold the fan with this and that. and I plugged the negative for the fan in there, and I also drove in here, but definitely not ideal. Behind here I could see like smoke coming out, but I washed it, so I just wonder if that's the water that I washed and then now it's heating up and it's coming out of there. But you know, I think it's successful. It worked. So I have one more day, which I'm going to use trying to wrap at least a couple parts of the car, like the front fenders. Not sure if I'm gonna make the door or not, but yeah, man, I'm pretty happy so far. I'm a little scared with this smoke coming out of the there. I just hope there's no holes in there, but this is a stock radiator. I'm pretty sure if there's something is not very big, I might be able to buy that little liquid and we put in there and all that stuff. I just need this to hold like for one event, and then I will use get a aluminum radiator. So that's it for this video. It was a trip trying to replace the old bad boy. I got an extra condenser which I am going to sell this year. I'm not even sure what to do with this. I don't know. Might just throw it away or give it as a core somewhere. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Yeah, there's no smoke. Temperature is, oh yeah, there's smoke coming. Look at that. I don't know if you can see. Look. But yeah, at least the temperature is good. There's a little bit of smoke, so I guess I'm gonna, yeah, look at that. Tiny bit. I'm not sure from where, but it looks like that is from inside here somewhere. So yeah, but I think it's fine. There's a lot of smoke though. I'm gonna let it warm a little more, you know, turn it off also in a little bit, leave it to tomorrow. If there's water, the water's gonna dry and we're good to go. If it's still like that, I'm gonna put some water and that liquid and let's make it happen. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. We have the wrapping video, we have the drifting video, we have these transmission. The transmission mount got stripped, so I will need to get this done. Everything here is just waiting. So I have so many videos to make that I don't have time for all of those, but I'll make time. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and you know the drill. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.
Look past my face. Se status, amiris a McDonald's.